Good morning, children. Today you see same lesson, page number 43 only. That Diya says na. You see, my grandfather told me a story from the life of a famous social reformer. So, dear children, here social reform in the sense those who, so one who analyze about the politics, one who expert about the politics, social movement that social movement that aims to bring social or political to the community ideal. So like this, so they can only talk, they can only reform about the either political or either society, so on so things. So like this also, this Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar also is a social reformer. Okay, now you see, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, this story teaches about dignity of labor. Dignity of labor. So labors are very important. They play very important role in our society. Dignity of labor. Okay. So respect for any kind of work, and the person who does it is called dignity of labor. So in the society, respect for any kind of work. The person whom loves so much of any kind of work, any kind of job. Okay, so work, and the person who does it called dignity of labor, and we call the person who take care of the and who loves the society, who thinks about more and more about the society, and who that person is called by we call the person dignity of labor. Okay, that one. Once Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, now you see, listen carefully. Vidyasagar had gone to a village to give a lecture. So one day he had gone to the one of the village, and he has giving some teaching there. So lecture matlab it is like a teaching method. So for the village people, he was giving some message. Okay, in the village, when he got to a lecture, so he is traveling by train. Okay, when he got down from the train, so he is traveling, he is going through the he is going by train, and when he got down in the village, and the same train, and when he got down from the train, a young officer also got down from the same train with a suitcase in his hand. You see, so this Vidyasagar also traveling in the he is also going by train. That one of the officer also going by traveling by train. So traveling by train. So Vidyasagar and one of the officer. So when the Vidyasagar go down the train in the platform, and the same officer also go down in the same platform and same bogie, from the same bogie. Okay, when the officer go down, when the officer also go down with him, that officer start with his suitcase. Okay, in his hand he is having one nice suitcase, that is big suitcase. That officer was shouting, coolie, 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 like this. Na, the people they wear in the red shirt, and they stand in the coolie people. Na, we will call them coolie. They will wear the uniform. So it shows that one is a coolie. Then we can recognize in the railway stations. Oh, so and so person is a coolie because of he is wearing so red shirt and pants. Okay, like that. So we can easily identify them. Okay, so he is a coolie like that. So he is shouting coolie, coolie like that. As he did not want to carry his own suitcase. Actually, he don't want to carry that his own. So he wanted to help from the coolie. Okay. Vidyasagar took the suitcase from him and carried it up to a tonga. Tonga matlab a horse carriage. Okay. So Vidyasagar, this officer was shouting like anything. Then Vidyasagar was also is the same behind him only, beside him only, and he took uh, his bag, that officer's bag, and Vidyasagar dropped him to the bus stand, to the Tonga bus stand. That means horse carriage. Okay. They the people who had come to receive Vidyasagar at the station recognized and recognized and garlanded him. The officer realized who Vidyasagar was and felt sorry for his behavior. Okay, this is what the dear children story. Okay, you just no problem. It is just you can read it. That's it. And oh, okay, you read this much story. You read, and you will understand. And you will also see. Through this incident, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar showed that all work is equal and important. One should not feel shy or low to do any work. So we can do any work. See nowadays due to Corona time, so many people they left their profession and they are doing different professions. So like that also. So do any work also. We should not feel shy and any no sharam nothing. We should do any work, no problem. Mahatma Gandhi also believed in dignity of labor to set an example. He himself cleaned the toilets. He said that children must be encouraged to work themselves to understand the importance of each job. It develops a sense of gratitude for people who are providing different types of services to make our lives comfortable. See, Mahatma Gandhi also he himself cleaned the toilet. He did not expect anybody to come and clean his toilet. He did himself to clean his toilets. Okay, so that's what. So that's what he said that children must be encouraged to work themselves. So children they can also in your house you can also do that work. Okay, to work themselves to understand the importance of job. Though then if the children if you do the also you will understand what is the importance of the job, why the people are working, why the people are going and working as a maid. So like this different types of services to make ourselves comfortable. So that is what. Okay, in many European countries and the United States of America, students earn their pockets money by doing part-time jobs. They are treated with the respect and admired for their hard work. It develops a sense of responsibility in them and they realize the value of the money. See, dear children, in our India also we also do the part-time jobs. You see, Mahatma Gandhi is telling in European countries also people are there also, but we are thinking they're great, but there also people are doing part-time jobs. They are also going and cleaning the. They are also doing the part-time jobs. Okay, so in same in our India also people are doing many part-time jobs, doing two jobs. So like this. So this is what the dear children. This is the story. You read it, you will also understand. And the rest of the question and answers, I will teach you. I will write and send you through the paper. Thank you so much.